My name is Agnes Wojcik. I'm the Senior Director of Programs and Services at Achēv, and in my role for almost 15 years, I've been collaborating with many community service providers and organizations across the GTA to bring together our services and supports to benefit newcomers, new immigrants, and refugees settling in our community. Catholic Crosscultural Services, CCS, is one of the community service providers we've collaborated with for over 10 years, and the partnership started with CCS offering their itinerant settlement services from one of our Peel locations once a week, and then over the years the partnership grew and expanded, and now their services are being offered for Peel locations of Achēv. CCS and their services complement the support clients receive through Achēv's newcomer information centers by them providing additional supports to clients like one-on-one settlement, case management and counseling, creation of individual settlement plans, advocacy, interpretation, Canadian citizenship preparation circles, and many other services that CCS staff offer that can be accessed under one roof. In addition, Achēv facilitators deliver online and in-person settlement and pre-employment information sessions to CCS clients that are attending classes, language classes of CCS in Mississauga and Brampton. But what's also very important is that CCS supports and shares our vision of bringing clients in the center of everything we do, creating service hubs, and offering multiple services under one roof. The partnership between CCS and Achēv significantly impacts our mutual clients. By us working together and tapping into each other's unique expertise, we can better support the settlement and integration of newcomers and provide them with the tools and resources needed to achieve their settlement goals.
At Catholic Crosscultural Services, known as CCS, we support newcomers of all ages and backgrounds to adjust and integrate into Canadian society. We refer them to appropriate community resources. My name is Anita Shunot, and I'm the Settlement Services Manager at CCS Brampton location. Over the past decade, CCS and Achēv, formerly the Centre for Education and Training, are collaborating to support newcomers to achieve their goals in areas such as employment, language assessment, settlement, and women wellness. Our settlement workers are being hosted at Achēv's newcomer information centers in Brampton and Mississauga. At these locations, our workers support newcomers with their settlement needs, helping them to understand life in Canada and refer them to needs-based resources. Our team members also collaborate with their colleagues at Achēv to deliver knowledge enhancement workshops for newcomers to learn more about life in Canada. We feel that this partnership, CCS and Achēv, is a win-win partnership where we are having the opportunity to share resources and expertise. Our wraparound services allow for smooth and efficient delivery of services to newcomers, and we feel that this partnership continually will support newcomers to meaningfully participate in the communities in which they live.
We thank CCS for being our valuable community partner, and we hope that with time, the partnership grows even stronger as we continue welcoming and supporting new immigrants settling in our community.